Welcome back. A much easier work day for you today, Alex Fry.
Yes, quite hectic yesterday. All these thunderstorms popping on up courtesy of a cold front that was moving through and the sheer amount of warm air that we did have. But that is quite the opposite story for today's forecast. We're looking at blue skies all over the place.
No complaints here about that.
The only completely dry day that I do have forecasted on the 7-day. So go ahead and get out and enjoy your Tuesday if you do have any summertime plans. Taking a look down in Dublin, where yesterday that was the scene of very active weather, some dark clouds, even a little bit of a rainbow to provide some light at the end of the tunnel to tell you that the storms were going to be ending rather soon. But now just the sight of some thin wispy clouds out in the upper levels of the atmosphere. 86 degrees right now, but the dew point much better, about maybe 15 degrees cooler than what it was this time yesterday. So current temperatures all over the 80s across central Georgia, and they're actually feeling very accurately represented in terms of the dew points. You can see a lot of drier air, still some spots of green, and the further east you go, you can see these areas of the dark green, the swampy areas that we did see all over central Georgia yesterday, but not quite in any of our eastern counties. So satellite and radar picture all clear, besides some cloud cover lingering around where the boundary has stalled on out that did move on through, and you can see that it is still all quiet across Georgia and Alabama in the southeast portion of the United States. But there's where that boundary is stalled on out, just like I was just mentioning, but you can see high pressure up to the northwest. That's going to continue to try to push east and southeastward and try to settle in to continue to keep us a little bit dry over the next couple of days. But we do have some slim rain chances, so I guess I forgot to throw a pause point right here on Future View, but as you can see, no real rain chance whatsoever. You can see maybe once we get on into the nighttime hours on Thursday, one little blip here and there, but still, just due to the nature of our convective storms or those pop-up summertime storms, I have thrown about a 20% chance of rain on both of those days because we are looking at the moisture to build back in just a little bit. So down in the 50s, and then you can see not moving much out of that 50s on our muggy meter that we do have right here, but I do believe dew points are going to be a little bit higher, maybe in the 60s, as you did just see on the current dew points map. So maybe having about a degree or two or maybe three difference on our actual temperatures. But when you take a look at the feels like temperatures, maybe getting to 90 each day for the next 3 days. Wednesday, 89 and 88 here in Macon and Dublin, and then we take it to Thursday once again, maybe getting to the 90-degree mark. So going to be feeling very cool or seasonably cool for the summertime months as opposed to the triple digits what we were feeling like a couple days ago. So taking it long range, we get to Friday. Friday's looking clear and Saturday is trending clear as well. So that will be good news if we keep this pattern going. But then around Father's Day, looking at something to develop in the Gulf, maybe move through the Mississippi and Alabama areas as we get into the early part of next week, the later part of this weekend, something we're going to have to keep our eye on as there is a hint of possible tropical formation over the next couple of days. But for tonight, grillcast, all green spatulas on the board, so go ahead and fire on up the grill tonight. And then as we get into the 7-day, you can see that warming trend with temperatures back up to the mid-90s by Friday and Saturday. 20% chance of a shower or storm each day, but we'll continue to play that by ear each and every day.